Hello people, today I wanted to publish video tutorial how to unwrap head because I'm preparing head for animation. I have mustache and glove as well. Of course this character I'm creating from a blueprint. I will show you people. I try to model this guy from who was living before World War II or after, I don't know. But I will show you how to unwrap a face. Doesn't look the same yet, but I want to create as good as this guy. But today I will show you how to unwrap head. Okay, because this texture is not suitable. What we're supposed to do before unwrapping, first of all, we need to use option flat. Then after that, we have to properly select our head, where we're supposed to cut. We will cut from here, then we have to select line cut, because this will define where we're supposed to cut and unwrap texture, which part. This is like enclosed. This closes, this is like border where to cut. So we cut from here, and I will show you. This stops. This will stop here. Okay, after that, this is what we needed. After that, I will have to publish another video tutorial how to select, how to select, how to save UV layout. UV tools, UV transform. I like very much UV transform utility. This is what you simply need. But one thing I don't like, when I check mouth, oh no, this shouldn't exist. I didn't know about this issue. In this case, we'll probably have to texture from the beginning. Sorry, I just didn't see this. I probably didn't notice that. Oh, now seems to be okay. But later on, I will have to check where this is. Save. And give me a few seconds because I will have to check if I can export this. Oh, this option is inactive. I think this is to do with body paint probably. I think I will have to publish another video tutorial because I done it completely different in Blender. In Blender it looks very different. I will have to do research with me, but mainly in this video tutorial I showed you how to unwrap head, but I think next part will be how to export UV layout. I cannot show you now because I'm still reminding, because Blender works different than Cinema 4D. See you guys, have a nice evening.